I'll show you how you can fix no surface SIM card on your iPhone. The most simplest way you can fix it is that if you can go to your settings here, you want to turn on airplane mode. Now, basically what this will do is that it'll turn off every part of the network in your iPhone. Now, you want to wait for around 10 seconds to 5 seconds when you turn on airplane mode before turning it back on again. This will cycle through all of your network port in your iPhone, and when you eventually turn it back on again, it will be all fresh. Now, turn it back on again. Now, see if you have service. Now, once you have service, that's good. You can stop here. But if you still don't have service, you can try another thing. You can go to settings, and then you can see if you have software update, you want to go ahead and update it now. Sometimes if you're on the most back-end version of the iPhone, the service won't work because it's too outdated. So make sure you download the latest iOS update. Now, if none of this works, you can try cleaning the SIM tray directly. The SIM tray is on the left side of the iPhone on this part here. You can go ahead and put a small needle or small pointy object on the hole there, and then you want to go ahead and just pop it out. It might need to take a couple of force, but once you have popped it out, you can see this is what it will look like. Now you just want to clean this part of it. I recommend using soft tissue or microfiber cloth if you have that. Once you have cleaned it out, you can go ahead and reinsert it and then see if you have surface. Once you reinsert it, you should see that the surface should be back on again here. If you can see, let me just focus my camera, and you can see the surface is now back on again.